Are you worried about spending beyond your budget for a trade show booth in Europe? Well, Expo exhibition stands is what you should look out for. We provide effective trade show booths at transparent prices. We have a fixed price approach to booth design, delivery, supervision, project management and installation. You ask how? We accomplish this in just 5 easy steps. First, go to expoexhibitionstands.com. Select your show city, booth size on our booth finder, and find a booth package to customize. Then we'll manufacture, print your booth, and store it at one of our facilities in Germany or the Netherlands. Next, we'll pre-test your booth before shipping, giving you peace of mind. What's more, our team will handle all the communication with the organizer, including filling forms on your behalf. And finally, we'll deliver and set up the booth and take it down after the show. You can take a look at some of our successful projects to make an informed decision for yourself. If you want a stress-free trade show experience in Europe for your upcoming show, feel free to reach out to our experts today.